Hello, and welcome to this video presentation. My name is Paul Brett. I'm a Senior Software Support Analyst supporting the Transformation Extender product from IBM. The topic for this video is using the ITX CHOOSE function. Feel free to reach out to me on popular social media channels at Paul Brett IBM. As per usual, I'm going to start my demonstration in the Design Studio. Here we have ITX 10.1.1.1. You can see I've created a simple extender project called choose function. Within there I have my source map called example.mms. I have an input file called input.txt, which has a bunch of names with numbers next to them separated by a comma. Now, if I want to extract out here the fourth name, there are several ways I can do it. The first one is to use an extract function. I'm going to extract the name where the number equals 4. Save, build, and run. If we have a look at our output file, you can see that I've pulled out the fourth name. Well, that's one way of doing it, but the extract function can be quite expensive in terms of processing time. I can use a fixed value. I can just pull in the text item and then say that I actually want to grab the item from the index 4th row. Save, build, run. That also pulls out the name Charlotte. However, this demonstration is about the choose function, which has its own advantages over an index. It's quick, unlike extract, and the number that you supply can be dynamic and is not programmed into the rule and fixed. So let's go with that. I need to send the result to a functional map, so let's start with that. Choose, and I'm going to choose the row that's the fourth one in the sequence. Functional map wizard, create, close. And in the functional map, I'm just going to drag the name to the name. Save, build, and run. And as you can see, I'm also pulling out the name Charlotte. Now this number here, 4, can be dynamic. We can be picking that from anywhere else within the map, any of the input cards or any of the prior output cards. So this is a way of using the rules with dynamic data input to pull out the nth iteration of an object. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my video presentation today. If you found the content interesting and informative, hit that like button. Perhaps leave a comment. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, as I release content such as this on a regular basis. Feel free to reach out to me on popular social media channels at Paul Brett IBM. Thank you.